Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold.
Hi guys, welcome to the new vlog. Yes, I'm starting a vlog in the bathroom. Today is a Friday and it's a weekend here, so I've been indoors and relaxing the whole day, but I feel like it's too much. Yes, I needed the rest. I was sick the whole week and I took a sick leave on a Wednesday, but Thursday, which was yesterday, I went back to work. As a good committed employee, I went to work even though I wasn't feeling 100% okay. But then today I decided to be in bed the whole day. Now I feel it's too much because I've got a lot of things to do, so I'm going out now. The time now is 6:20. My driver will be here at 6:30. There's a lot of things that I need to do. First, I need to go and choose a frame for my glasses, and I've been postponing it for quite some time now. And I bought my daughter a jean last weekend and it's a bit small, so I need to return that. And there's a lot of other things that I need to go. I need to go to HomeCenter. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Where I can vlog, I will vlog, but if I can't, tough luck. I won't break the rules. So yeah, let me get ready. I see the driver already sent me a message. He's outside, so I need just 5 minutes to finish.
I could take it back, but it doesn't matter when you look at me like that. I know that I fucked up, but that doesn't work as an excuse. Sorry, that doesn't cut it, but I'm sorry for what I did to you. Can only sleep with the TV on. Ever since you left, I'm going through the motions. I'm laying here looking at the door. Please come home, you better by my side, babe. It's getting cold on the side where you used to sleep, so I get drunk, tangled up in these dirty sheets. I cannot live with myself if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me again. If you could just listen to what I have to say, a minute of your time, that's all I want, then I'm out of your way. Maybe I'm selfish for wanting what I want. It's all games till someone gets their heart broken. My love, I can only sleep with the TV on. Ever since you left, I'm going through the motions. I'm laying here looking at the door. Please come home, you belong by my side, babe. It's getting cold on the side where you used to sleep, so I get drunk, tangled up in these dirty sheets. I cannot live with myself if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me again. 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 I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me. It's getting cold on the side where you used to sleep, so I get drunk, tangled up in these dirty sheets. I cannot live with myself if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me again. I know that I messed up, wish I could take it back, but it doesn't matter.
So what's going on here? Which one are you taking? This one? Okay, we need one more. It should be 3. So okay, let's go. So we need to take 32 now.
Ever since you left, I'm going through the motions. I'm laying here looking at the door. Please come home, you've been wrong by my side. Babe. It's getting cold on the side where you used to sleep. So I get drunk, tangled up in these dirty sheets. I cannot live with myself if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay in this bed.
No, this is coffee machines. And this.
I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me. It's getting cold inside where you used to sleep. So I get drunk, tangled up in these dirty sheets. I can't live with myself if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me again. See me now, why don't you hear me out? Can't you see what we're about? I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. I don't want this anymore. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the toe.
You do need space when you're sitting there and eating.
Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the touch. Yeah, someone who's got the touch. Let me go, let me out. My time is precious to me, it's so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about. There's no doubt, but you're the one that's missing out. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the toe.
And find what we're here for.
Guess I'm not into you that much. Ooh. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself
So guys, this is our old pump.
to someone who's got the toe.
This is our old pump, but this you have to carry the bottle and turn it upside down to put in the pump. So we don't have strength to do that anymore. So we're gonna take this one here. It's electrical or something, I don't know. So we're just gonna take this one. How does this one work? It's intelligent, as you can see. There's no tube. How does it work? Okay. See, like that. I'm not sure about this one. Unless I'm taking this. The new kids in the block. Oh wow, lovely.
Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in.
Just smell them and see which one smells nice.
Early mornings in your dome, I'll be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night. I gotta say goodbye, bye.
Let me smell it. Which one? Which one? This one smells good. It smells good.
I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go
Smells good.
all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling.
Okay, thank you. This one.
Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go.
It smells bad. I hate you. You're so bad. Smell this one for me. It's so strong.
Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last
Oh,
night.
it's good.
We got a
It's
little
good when I came the second time. Nalebo.
spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow.
So which one are we taking? We need three.
Off my mind.
Hmm?
Don't wanna
This
say
one?
goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling.
There's
at the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all
I'm trying to show you.
I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in.
I like them.
They're very cute.
I'll take one.
They fit in.
Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night.
You need something like this
Little
for
drunk.
winter. You just put it on.
Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark
I like
out
those.
somehow.
Don't you guys like it?
You have one like that.
Yeah,
Don't wanna
it's
say
not this color. No, it's brown.
Maybe we should take it slow.
No.
I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really
I like this. Gee.
That's very cute.
Huh? Wait a second. Huh? This is lovely. Okay, you don't want to try?
No.
What about this? You don't like this? If you like it, take it. If you don't, no problem.
I ain't got the time. Can't tell another lie.
Huh?
And baby, I know you
Oh,
want
just
more
when you're sitting
than
at home
this,
lounging.
but you know I can't afford your kiss, so I'm staying for the night.
So now tell me what
Gotta
you want
say
quickly.
goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into
Where's Uncle
something
Mohammed?
new right now.
No. Out. Oh, but you must push now.
I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in.
See anything?
Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel.
So we're just waiting for the food. Then after that, hopefully we go home. We are tired and we are very, 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 very hungry.
It's my food.
I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling.
So guys, finally we are back home. We just got in and it is 5:12. Yes, 5:12 midnight. At least we do have something to eat. We bought takeaways from Kudu, and now we're just gonna sit and okay, let me take things out of the shopping bags and I will talk to you guys later. So we bought some Pringles. They were on special. You buy 3 for 19 reals, and usually I think 19 reals you buy only 2. So we got 3 different flavors for 19 reals, right? Were they 19 reals? I think, yeah. And we got 2 boxes of masks because we want black masks, so we got 2 boxes. And about this ice cream, 5 different flavors because today it was 10 reals and the normal price is 40 reals each. Yeah. And we got some spinach and cheese cutlets. We bought these last week for the first time, of course. We bought them last week and they're so delicious. So I decided to go and get more of these. So I bought 2 boxes. But these for the dishwasher, they were on special, 9 reals each. So I bought 2 because there's 13 inside. And 2 is going to last for the month. I got the Happy for the bathroom. What else? Oh yeah, and I got this coconut oil. It is normally 89 reals, but it was 39 reals. So I've got that on special. And what else did we buy? I will unbox it tomorrow. I just took out only the things that we bought from Lulu, and I will take out the rest of the stuff that I bought from Center Point because quite a lot. I will do it tomorrow. So I want to sit down and eat. I'm hungry. As I said, it is after 12 midnight, so I deserve to chow. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind.
Good morning, guys. Welcome. Today is a Saturday. I just woke up and I know it's very late, but of course you know that last night we went out shopping and we came back after 12 midnight and I went to bed after 1 a.m. Last night I tried unpacking the stuff that I bought from the supermarket, but the rest of the stuff that I bought from HomeCenter I didn't unpack because it's quite a lot. I will do the unpacking with you guys today. But first things first, I need to go to the gym. I haven't been to the gym for quite a long time. Before I went to Europe, I haven't been to the gym, and it's been 2 weeks since I came back from Europe and I still haven't been to the gym. I can feel it in my body. I need some calibration. So I will quickly rush off to the gym, come back, clean the house, do the laundry, do the cooking, and yes, I have to do all of these things because today is the last day of the weekend. Tomorrow I'm going back to work. So when everything else is done, settled, I will sit down and do the unpacking of all the HomeCenter stuff that I bought last night. But for now, let me rush off to the gym. I will talk to you guys when I come back.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen.
Said when everything is set and done, I will sit down and do the unpacking with you. The stuff that I bought from HomeCenter. This is all the stuff that I bought from HomeCenter. And there's the third plastic as well. So oh my gosh, I forgot. Sorry about that. I think I got a little excited there. Okay, so the first thing that I'm taking out of the plastics is the puzzle. My daughter's been looking for a puzzle for quite some time, so we went to other places, but we didn't find the one that she likes. So we found this one in Center Point, and it's got 1,000 pieces. Yeah, and it is age appropriate. It's 14 plus. So yeah, and currently she's busy doing the other one. Let me just show you. She's almost finished with it. Okay, let me just see if I can show you. So this is the one that she's currently busy doing. As you can see, only this part and this part is left, and she has a few pieces there. It's just the sky, and she's complaining that the sky is confusing because everything is blue. So she's almost done, guys, as you can see. And this is just a 500 pieces, and we bought this long time ago. Yeah, the next item is, okay, I bought myself these metal straws, and it comes with the brush for cleaning the straws, and that's how it looks like. And this was how much? This was 45 reals, and there's 4 straws inside. And I bought these food wraps. I don't have these. I just wanted to buy and try them out. If I like them, I will give them a thumbs up. And this is only 29 reals, but this is very important. I like these. Yeah. So I'm just gonna try them out and see if they really work. Yeah. I don't know why I bought them though, because all my glass dishes, they've got their covers, but maybe sometimes when one cover is not there, is missing, I can just replace it with this. Yeah. And these are just exfoliating gloves, and these are the ponies for the hair. There's 3 of them. And we got some slippers, okay, from Center Point. These are very nice, and these were actually on special. I think they were 35 reals, and we got them for 17 reals, so they were 50% off. Okay, these were 33, and we got them for 19 reals. Okay, the first bag is done. Okay, and we got this little cute hoodie for my daughter. She liked this, and yeah, it is very nice for winter. I love it, but of course I've got a big head, so I can't fit my head in these things, but it is so cute. I love it. I love it. I don't know. Yeah, I love it. And we got some PJs. Of course, it's winter here. The winter is just starting, even though it's not cold inside as yet, but we just bought some PJs for winter.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be.
And I got this shirt for myself. I love this shirt. I just saw it once and I fell in love with it. And it's from Lee Cooper, from Center Point as well. I love this. Beautiful. I love it. I just pictured myself wearing jeans with this. It is lovely. I love it. And we got some PJs for me.
Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick
bought this. What is this again? I need to remember. Oh, I think I know what this is. Lulu. Lulu. Okay, one bag down. So we have this one bag here. So we bought these 4 candles. French lavender, and this was 79 reals, and cranberry delight. These are so divine. So both they were 79 reals. We bought one and we got one for free. And we got these 2 as well. Jasmine honeysuckle. This is beautiful. I love the smell in this one, and the usual vanilla bean. This is also so beautiful. So we got these 2. One was 99 and one was 79. Yes. Remember, we paid only for one of these. We didn't pay for both. So we paid for 2. Thank you, baby. We paid for 2 candles and we got 2 for free. So let's open this one. Okay, I remember what this is now.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's
I've got my tea here. Forgot about it. Okay, there are the 2 things that I bought last night. Let me just go and pick them up. Yeah, so guys, I forgot that I bought this snake and ladders yesterday. It is, how much was this thing? I think it was just 35 reals. It doesn't have a price on, but I think it was just 35 reals. Yeah, it's a snake and ladders. It's a family game, so yeah. And we bought the water pump from SACO. For those of you who don't know, we don't drink water direct from the tap here in Saudi Arabia. We use bottled water. So for quite some time I didn't have a pump because the last one that we had broke. The one that we had was different, so now we got this one. I don't even know how it works actually. It is chargeable battery water pump. I hope it's not gonna give us problems. It is coming with the plug. Oh my goodness. I hope it's not complicated. So let me just try and take it out. Oh yeah, okay. So this is the pump. What I see on the outside of this box is that you will press here. There is an on and off button. So the next one is something that is bigger than everything that I bought here. Yeah, it is. Show it here. First of all, before I show you, let me tell you this. I didn't go to the shop to buy this because I already have a coffee machine, an espresso machine. But when I went there and I saw this and I saw the price they were selling it, I had no choice but just to buy it and take it. And of course, I'm going to take it home with me. This will be for my house. I already have one here that is bit smaller. It is smaller than this, but this is just ticking all the right boxes, the color, everything. So I'm just gonna open it here for the first time. I love this. Gosh, look at that. This is amazing. I'm so happy I found this. So let me tell you the story why I bought this. This was 1,800 reals. So where is the price? Okay, it doesn't have a price. Okay, but there was a price or 70% off. So I had no choice but to buy this. 600 reals. I've got it, and it is for my house. So I'm taking this home to South Africa. Yes. So guys, that's it. It was quite a long video, but I had to do it. So thank you so much for watching, and I wish this was like my size. I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and that is my weekend in a nutshell. And this is my weekend in a nutshell.